How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Fairies Technology. Today we are looking at the Garmin Approach S62 smartwatch. We're going to fully unbox this and get a close-up look of it. This is a premium GPS golf watch, so this is the best of the best. You cannot get any better at the time of filming this video, and I will leave a link in the description box below if you want to see what the current pricing is of this watch at the time of you watching this video. But let's go ahead and unbox it. It's a kind of a small packaging right here, this box that it is, but it's actually quite nice feeling. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to just open it up from the top. There's a little sticker piece right here, and we'll just swipe that off, and then we'll just put it closed, and let's go ahead and see what kind of wow factor we have here as we take that off. Garmin is shown, and there is Garmin Golf app, it says right on the screen itself. Let's go ahead and take this out. I do have the black strap version and the black version of this one. It does come in white. I will link both of them in the description box below so you guys can see the different colors of them. But there is the watch itself. We're just going to put that down just for a second right here, and we're just going to go ahead and see what the rest of the contents inside of it is before we get a close-up look of the watch itself. And this is probably the charger piece for it right here. And there is your proprietary charger. So let's go ahead and undo this, and we can get a nice look at what this looks like. And so we got regular USB right there, and then we've got the proprietary charger piece right there. So that's the one thing I don't really like about Garmin watches, is they do have different chargers for every watch, and it's their own proprietary charging piece, which is kind of annoying, but it is what it is, so we do live with it. And it just plugs in right at the bottom right there. So it's just gonna plug right in and snap right in. I'm not gonna put it fully in right now, so we'll put that piece aside and we'll put the contents aside. We do have the instruction booklets as well. Nice thick big instruction booklets right there, as you can see. So if you want to go ahead and read through all of those ones, you can do so. For now though, we're just going to get a close-up look of the watch itself. So let's go ahead and take off this little sticker piece right here. And there we go. So it's a very, very nice premium feel. It's actually quite light. I thought it would be a lot heavier, but it is quite light, which is good for golfing because you don't want to have something super heavy on your wrist. Although it is a little bit thicker than normal golf watches, but I mean, with the amount of stuff and features and stuff that this packs inside of it, it's definitely worthwhile. So we got the buttons and stuff on the side, and we've got nothing on this side right here. And then a nice premium face, and then we've got the heart rate monitor and everything all in the back right there. And the straps themselves, they're a quick remove strap, so you can change the straps on these. They are a 22mm strap, so if you want to check out different straps and stuff, you can. I'll link a few of them in the description box below as well, because I picked up a couple of different custom straps for my Garmin S62. But that's going to be your full unboxing of it. I'm going to have a full video review of this coming up in the future once I get a little bit used to it and I start using this watch a little bit more. But let me know what you guys think of this watch in the description box below. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.